There are two simple ways to insert a table into a Google Doc. I'll show you both. Let's get a new Google Doc going. We will call it Bicycles. If I just hit that, that'll get my title. I just bought a bicycle. Bicycle. Here are the pros and cons that went into my decision. Okay, insert table. Now I want, because there were 3 bicycles I was looking at, I want a 4x3 matrix. Okay, the 3 bicycles were Trek, REI Co-op, and Specialized. The categories I looked at were price, fit/feel, and there was one more, which was service. So I don't have a row. I can insert a row by right-clicking on any cell next to the row or column I want to do and go down to here, insert row below. And this was service. And the prices were $560, tab $420, tab $590. Fit and feel was good, tab good, tab best. Service was 6 months, tab 1 year, tab 1 year. Now, there's a table, perfectly good table if I want to fix it up a little bit, because so many of my assignments are handed in online now. I don't have to worry about cost of color and ink, so I'm going to color some of these things. Made a mistake there, just go back. I'm going to color this. I highlight it, go over to background color. I'll color that blue. And another thing I like to do is thicken the lines below my first row. So I've highlighted the row. I'll click on this, pull down. I'm going to choose this one, which focuses on the bottom line of what I've highlighted, and I'm going to go here to make it thicker. Do the same thing on my right hand column. I'll make that line thicker, and there's a great little table. However, it doesn't move around. I can't make it move. It just is right there embedded in my text. So I am going to make another table that I can slide around the page. In order to do that, I need to make another Google Doc with a table. So I'll go back to my Drive, Create New. This time I'm going to go to Google Drawings. Google Drawings allows tables by going Insert, Table, and I'll make a quick simple one here, just that big. And we'll say, once I made a decision on my bicycle, I had to choose which store, and let's say that this was 20 miles away and this was 40 miles away. This one gave me a free water bottle, and this one was going to give me a free hat. Now, I don't have categories, so again, if I want to add a column, I highlight, actually I can just click on any cell, right click on the cell, and I can insert a column to the left. And then this would be distance, and this would be free stuff. And I can do the same coloring, etc. So let's just make a line here. Whoops. Let's take that line, make it bigger. And let's take this line and make it bigger. And there's a nice table. Now I have the table, and I'll go back to my other text. And at this point, I'll insert a drawing from my drive. Now there's my drawing. Double click on it. Keep links to source. That enables me to come back and fix it if I want. Insert. There's my drawing. It has quite a large blue box around it, so I'm going to crop that. And crop it as small as I can, or as close as I can. Just gives me more flexibility. Now I can slide this around the page by doing wrap text. I can make it, whoops, I can put it in the table, the other table if I wanted to. I don't want to do that. But I can put my text over there. I can put my text over there. I can put my text above. I can put, well, it's a little hard to put my text below unless I make a little more space. But yeah, as you can see, this gives you much more flexibility. And that's how you make tables in Google Doc.